Today, let us study about ionic compounds. And ionic bond, how it is formed. Now, let us recall what we have studied in chapter 4. We have studied about atomic number, which is denoted by Z. Atomic number is the total number of protons or total number of electrons. In an atom, we have the fundamental particles, that is protons, which is positively charged, electrons, which is negatively charged, and neutrons, which has no charge. We have also studied about the electronic configuration. What is electronic configuration? The distribution of electrons in various shells. Distribution of electrons. Let's take an example to understand what is ionic compound. So let's take sodium chloride. Molecular formula of sodium chloride is NaCl. Okay? Now, sodium chloride will take the atomic number of sodium, that is 11, and atomic number of chlorine, that is 17. The distribution of electrons in various shells, that is 2, 8 and 1. So total 2, 8 and 1, that gives you 11. And here chlorine atom we have 2, 8 and 7. Now if you look at this electronic configuration, it's easy to give this one electron to this chlorine atom. Now, when you give this one electron, this chlorine atom accepts the electron. So, sodium atom gives or donates electrons. Chlorine atom takes one or receives electron. As we know that the number of protons and electrons are equal, when one electron is given to chlorine atom, here electronic configuration becomes 2, 8 because this one electron is given, and that is how you have sodium Na plus. One positive charge extra in the sodium atom. Similarly, here in chlorine atom, the electronic configuration now becomes 2, 8. It accepts one electron, so 8. One electron is extra, and therefore it becomes Cl minus. So we have the positively charged cations and the negatively charged anions. The force of attraction between these positively charged and negatively charged ions forms the ionic bond. So, ionic bond is formed where there is transfer of electrons taking place from one atom to the other atom. Now, if you look at the diagram of sodium atom, that is 2, 8, 1, and for chlorine atom 2, 8, 7. You have this is the nucleus. You have the first shell, 2 electrons, You have the second shell. There are 8 electrons. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And the third shell where you have 1 electron in the outermost shell. That is the valence electron. Similarly for chlorine atom, this is the nucleus. First shell you have 2 electrons. Second shell you have 8 electrons. And third shell you have 7 electrons. So 2, 4, 5, 6 and 1, 7. So 1 electron is transferred from sodium atom, and so it becomes, so Na plus, it receives 1 electron, so it becomes Cl minus. So this is how an ionic bond is formed between the ions.